No. Why do you like the dishwasher, Willak? Why do you like it better than your toys? No? Didda. Close it. Close it. Close it. Close it. No. Look. What the heck? Close it. What's so exciting about that? Look what he's excited about. It's just a dishwasher. Yalla, close it. Close it. Close it. Close it. Close it. Close it. Go play with your toys. Go. Go play with your toys. Go play with your toys. Good boy. Not again. No. Don't touch. No. Close it. Joey, come on, let's go sleep. You want to go sleep? Let's go sleep. Let's go sleep. Close it.